Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mishkat Rahman, ID 241-33092, Section B. I am studying Daffodil International University, Department of Electrical and Electronic Engineering. My presentation topic name is three-phase circuit. What is three-phase circuit? A three-phase circuit is element system that use three alternating current of same frequency but with a phase difference of 120 degree between them. It is widely used in power system for transmitting electricity over long distance and supporting power to industrial and commercial equipment. Three alternating current. Each phase A, B and C has its when sinusoidal waveform as shown in graph. The waveform are shifting by 120 degree to ensure continuous and balanced power delivery. Balanced load. A three-phase load such as the one represented by the resistor RA, RB, RC. In the diagram, always equal power distribution among phase. Efficiency. The three-phase system require less conductor material for power transmission compared to single-phase system for the same power output. Three-phase connection type: star connected type, del connected type. Star connect. In the star connection, one end of each of the three winding is connect to common neutral point, forming a Y shape. The other end of the winding are connected to the phase RYB of the power system. It is provide two types of voltage: line voltage, phase voltage. Line voltage, voltage between any two line terminal. Phase voltage, voltage between a line terminal and the neutral. Relationship: line voltage equal √3 into phase voltage. A neutral point is available for grounding and for continuous unbalanced loads. The phase current are equal to the line current. Del connection. In a del connection, the end of the winding are connected to for the closed loop. Create a triangle del shape. No neutral point is formed. Only one type of voltage is available: line voltage equal phase voltage. Line current are √3 times the phase current, more suitable for balanced load and high power transmission. Thank you for watching my video.